Here's how we can change the album name in a gallery on Android. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so you open up the gallery and go to the albums because, at the bottom you have like the pictures, albums, and perhaps even other types of organization of your photos. But if you go to the albums, you can hold down on the individual one like this, and it's going to select it, right? So you can see that you have the ability to select as many as you want, but in order to rename or change the name of it, you can only have one selected, because when you then just have one album checked right here, then you can tap on more, and here is the rename option, of course. So you can see a couple of other options as well, like to change cover image or remove from essential albums, but you can see we have the rename, and you can tap on it and do it like that. However, of course, as you can see that if I select multiple of them, then the rename is simply not there, as it doesn't make any sense at all. So that is how it would work. Of course, you can as well get inside, tap the three dots and edit, and you should also have the ability to rename it from in here, but it depends on the type of the album as well. So that's how you can essentially do it. I really hope that I was able to explain it and show you how you can proceed about it. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think about the video below in the comments if it was helpful. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.